Someone said to me yesterday, I wasn't the one who betrayed. Why do I have to do anything? Or why do I have to do all the work? Hey, let me be clear. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. But since everything crashed and burned, and I'm talking about a marital betrayal, since everything crashed and burned, why not use that opportunity to create a version of you that otherwise wouldn't exist? See, the difference is, and I guess the biggest difference that we do within the PBT Institute versus, let's say, couples counseling is, let's just say your partner has no intention of changing. Why in the world would you just work on being okay with that? Why not get to your physical, mental, and emotional best? Because from that standpoint, you see things very clearly. You decide what you want. You decide what boundaries need to be in place. You decide if you've outgrown that person. And the other person has an opportunity to completely rebuild themselves as well. So again, you don't have to do anything. You can stay absolutely where you are, which is stage 3 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, giving you more of the same. And that's also the place where repeat betrayals happen. Why not use the opportunity to grow, change, what the old you tolerated, this new you doesn't. What the old you accepted, the new you doesn't. What the old you thought was okay, the new you wants something more. It is all up to you. You don't have to do anything. But when you do, you create a version of yourself that never would have had the opportunity to exist if it didn't happen. That's post-betrayal transformation. That's what happens when you move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. That's what's waiting for you in stages 4 and stage 5. Follow for more.